Hey guys, it's Matt with Defender Bros. We asked a few of you guys on some of our various social media pages, our Facebook, Instagram, and I think even our iFunny page, if you'd be interested in learning how to field strip a Lemat Revolver. It's really easy to do, at least the field stripping is. Cleaning it's a little bit more tedious. There's a lot of small areas you got to clean, but anyway, we're going to get right to it. So after you've made sure your gun is unloaded, first thing you want to do is on the bottom here there's a little lever. Just pull that. That unlocks the barrel to where you can now twist the barrel and take that off the gun. From there you slide the cylinder off. And that's how you field strip your Lemat Revolver. Putting it back together is real simple as well. Basically just reverse the process, put your cylinder back on there, twist the barrel back on, make sure that you line up the lever at the bottom with that little nook there, a little notch, so you can just push the lever right back into place, and there you have it. Sometime in the near future, we plan on uploading a video kind of talking a little bit about the history of the Lemat Revolver. It's a really neat gun. It's cap and ball, Civil War era. Obviously, this is a reproduction made by Pieta in Italy. But it's 9 shots of 44, and then you got a 20 gauge shotgun barrel there as well. So it's a really cool little gun. Anyway, we're going to have more on that in our next video. It's been Matt with Defender Bros. We'll see you in the next one.